How to fix a small nick in a windshield? Gently clean the area with a premium, lint-free cloth and a reliable glass-safe cleaner to create a flawless bond and restore full windshield clarity. A spotless surface ensures a strong resin bond and protects the glass from further damage. Easily seal the nick using a trusted windshield repair kit designed to deliver safe, long-lasting protection. Apply the repair kit by securing the applicator, filling the chip with advanced resin, and sealing it with a strip to ensure a smooth, professional finish. Let the repair cure in sunlight or UV light to activate the resin and lock in a strong, crystal clear finish. OC Auto Glass Repair offers expert chip repair services that restore visibility and prevent cracks from spreading. Their quick and professional service utilizes specialized tools to achieve durable, high-quality results. Trust OC Auto Glass Repair to fix windshield damage safely and efficiently. Call OC Auto Glass Repair now at 949-4279-211 or visit www.ocautoglassrepair.net.